Laughter is a sound we all know. Babies laugh. People around the world laugh. Even some animals seem to laugh. It's a natural part of being human. But laughter is more than just a funny feeling. It's a powerful tool. Laughter connects us to others. It helps us build relationships. And it can even improve our health. Scientists are studying laughter to learn more about how it works. They want to know why we laugh and how it affects us. Laughter is contagious. Have you ever noticed how hard it is to keep a straight face when someone else is laughing? That's because our brains are wired to respond to laughter. When we hear laughter, it triggers a response in our brains that makes us want to laugh too. We don't just laugh at jokes, we laugh at funny situations, at silly things, and sometimes even at nothing at all. Laughter is a complex behavior that scientists are still trying to fully understand. But one thing is for sure, laughter is a universal language that brings people together. What happens in our brains when we laugh? Well, it starts with a stimulus, something funny or amusing. This activates different parts of the brain, like the sensory processing areas that help us understand the humor. The brain then activates the motor cortex, which controls our muscles. This is what makes our facial muscles move, forming a smile or even causing us to shake with laughter. Our breathing changes as we laugh, becoming faster and shallower. Other areas involved are the limbic system, which deals with emotions, and the reward centers of the brain, which release feel-good chemicals like dopamine. This is why laughter is often associated with pleasure and joy. Interestingly, laughter isn't always controlled consciously. We don't always decide to laugh. Sometimes it just happens. This spontaneous laughter shows how deeply rooted it is in our biology. Laughter is a powerful social tool. It helps us connect with others, build relationships, and strengthen bonds. Think about it. We laugh more when we are with other people. Laughter is contagious, and it can spread quickly through a group. When we laugh together, it creates a sense of shared experience and connection. It signals that we are enjoying each other's company, and that we feel comfortable and relaxed. Laughter also plays a role in conflict resolution. A well-timed laugh can help to diffuse a tense situation and make it easier to find common ground. It can also help to restore goodwill after a disagreement. Studies have shown that couples who laugh together tend to have happier and more satisfying relationships. Laughter can help to strengthen the bond between partners by creating a sense of intimacy and shared joy. Laughter is not just good for our social lives, it's also good for our health. Studies have shown that laughter can boost our immune systems, lower stress hormones, and even relieve pain. When we laugh, our bodies release endorphins, which have mood-boosting and pain-relieving effects. Laughter also helps to reduce the level of stress hormones like cortisol. This can have a positive impact on our physical and mental health. Some hospitals even use laughter therapy to help patients cope with pain, stress, and anxiety. Laughter therapy involves using humor and laughter to promote well-being. While more research is needed, there's growing evidence that laughter can play a role in improving our overall health and well-being. So the next time you feel stressed or down, try watching a funny movie or spending time with someone who makes you laugh. It might just be the best medicine.